Good morning, student. Your computer teacher is back with a new topic. I'm ready to teach you some new things about computer. Are you ready? Okay. In previous video, I have told you what do you mean by input, and I also told you about one of the basic input device, that is keyboard. Today, in this video, I will tell you about the another basic input device, that is mouse. Okay, so today's topic is mouse. Student, in this video, we will learn different things about mouse. Okay, so shall we start? Now, mouse. Mouse is an input device. It is used to give input to the system. Student, listen to me very carefully. Mouse is an input device. It is used to give input to the system. It is also known as pointing device. Okay, it is also known as a pointing device. We use mouse to select. If we want to select anything on a computer screen, we use mouse. And if we want to open any program, so we just take our mouse pointer over that program. By pointing the pointer at them on the screen, we open that. Okay, we use mouse to select and to open program on the screen. So, mouse is used for selecting and opening the object in the computer. Why mouse is used? Mouse is used for selecting and opening the object in the computer. Mouse is also used to move an object on a computer screen. Okay. It is a pointing input and used to move the cursor from one point to another point. Okay, I will repeat that. Mouse is used to move an object on a computer screen and it is a pointing input. So, it is used to move the cursor from one point of the screen to the another point. Okay. We also use mouse to draw or to color picture on the screen. I think you all have used mouse to draw the pictures on the screen. So, mouse is an input device. It is also known as a pointing device. We use mouse for selecting and opening the object in the computer. We also use mouse to move an object on the computer screen. Okay. Now, do you know who invented mouse? See, mouse is invented by Douglas Engelbart. He introduced mouse. He is the person who is responsible for the invention of the mouse. And Douglas Engelbart introduces the first computer mouse to the world. And it is now one of the most necessary part of a computer. Okay, so who invented mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Now, I will tell you about parts of mouse. A mouse is attached to the CPU with a long wire. As shown in your screen also, a mouse having cable. That cable is attached to the CPU. Okay, so mouse wire connect with the CPU. Next, mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. The first button is the left mouse button. See, some mouse have 2 buttons, some mouse have 3 buttons. In your screen, 2 mouse button is shown. The mouse having 2 buttons is shown in your screen. So mouse have left button, mouse have right button. Now mouse also have a wheel, okay, and mouse also have an area where you placed your palm, and that is known as palm rest, okay. Left mouse button, right mouse button, mouse having one wheel, that is your scroll wheel. Mouse is attached to the CPU through cable, and mouse has also have an area where you placed your palm, and that is known as palm rest. Now I will tell you what these button is used for. First, I already told you about cable. Next is left button. See, left button is used to select and click the object on the monitor. Okay, left button is used for selecting and for clicking the object on the monitor. Right button help us to perform some quick task with the option on the monitor. Right button help us to perform some quick task with the option on the monitor. See, when you click right button show you some options. Okay, that options help you for doing quick tasks. See, in your screen, right button, see, I have shown you right click menu. It is written here. So when you click, this is one of the example, when you click right button, then what will happen? When you click right button, you have seen that some menu will appear with some options, and that menu help us to take some quick actions. Okay, so that is the functions of a right button. Right button is used to bring up some other menu. This is one of the example, and when you click mouse, right click on the mouse, then there are different option, different menu appears. Okay, this is one of the example of a right mouse button when you click on it. Now next is wheel. Wheel is placed between the right and the left mouse button, and it is used for moving and scroll up and down pages. The center scroll wheel is used to move the cursor in any direction on the monitor. Got it? Now I will tell you different actions of a mouse. A computer mouse is used by pressing its buttons. Pressing button on a mouse is known as clicking. Computer mouse is used by pressing its button, and pressing a buttons on a mouse is known as clicking. Clicking means to press and to release the mouse button. Okay, clicking means to press and to release the mouse button. We can click a mouse in two ways, left click and right click. Okay, left click and right click. See, I have shown you where is the left click and where is the right click. When you click on the left button, that is known as left click. When you click on the right button, that is known as right click. Okay, now left click means to press and release the left button of the mouse. Left click to press and release the left button of the mouse. Right click means to press and release the right button of the mouse. Okay, there are also single click and double click. You heard all these, single click and double click. Single click means to press and release the button once, and double click means to press and release the mouse button twice. Okay, as the name suggests, single click only one click, double click you have to the mouse, you have to press and release the mouse twice. Now single click is used to select an object or a document on the computer screen. If you want to select the document, and if you want to select the document or object on a computer, then you will do single click. Now when you want to open a file or a document, you have to do double click. Okay, so these are the different action of a mouse. One more action of a mouse is drag and drop. Drag, it is used to move an item from one place to another, and drop is to release that item on the desired direction where you want it. Okay, drag and drop. Drag means to move an item from one place to another, and release means to release that item at your desired place. Okay, now next come mouse pointer and mouse pad. These are very important. Now first you will tell me how you know that the mouse is on the screen. How you get to know that mouse is in one part of the screen and mouse is now moving, and mouse is in the left side of the screen. Now mouse is moved to the right side of the screen. How you get to know? You get to know by this mouse pointer. See, I have shown you the picture of a mouse pointer. There is an arrow on the computer. The small moving arrow on the screen of the monitor is known as mouse pointer or cursor. Okay, the small moving arrow on the screen of the monitor is known as a mouse pointer or cursor. See, mouse pointer move in the same direction as you move the mouse. It will move in the same direction as you move the mouse. If you take the mouse in the left direction, the mouse pointer move to the left direction of the screen. If you take the mouse in the right direction of the screen, so mouse pointer go in the right part of the screen. Okay. Next is your mouse pad, where you place your mouse in the mouse pad. And for better movement, the mouse should be kept over the mouse pad. Okay, for better movement, we should place the mouse on a mouse pad. Okay. Now student, next comes is holding a mouse. Do you know that there is a correct way to hold the mouse? Do you know that? If you don't, then today I will tell you. There is a proper way to hold a mouse. See, in your screen, the proper way of holding the mouse is shown. See, I have shown you where you have to place your palm, where your middle finger is to be there, where your thumb is to be there, in which part of the mouse you have to place your thumb. Okay, so I will tell you about that. First thing, you have to position the mouse on the right side of the keyboard. Always place the mouse on the right side of the keyboard. Then place your right hand index finger. It should be right hand, not your left hand. Right hand index finger is your first finger. After thumb, you have a index finger. So right hand index finger on the left button of the mouse. See in your screen. Okay. And then put your right hand middle finger, the finger after the index finger, that is known as a middle finger. So that finger you have to place on right button of the mouse. Okay. Keep your palm on the back of the mouse. Okay, keep your palm on the back of the mouse, and you have to place the thumb on the side of the mouse. Okay, so by following these steps, you will be able to move the mouse much better. Okay. Okay, so your index finger on the left button, your middle finger of the right hand side is on the right button. Thumb on the side of the mouse, palm on the base of the mouse. Got it? Okay. So that's it all about your mouse. See, in your book, a very small topic is given about mouse. Okay. But I have told you each and everything about the mouse so that in your holiday time, or you can say in your free time, you can able to learn everything about mouse. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay student, goodbye. Hope you will understand this video. Until then, bye bye. God bless you all.